Hey guys, welcome back to our winter biomass fuel trial videos here at Mugga at our demonstration site in Canberra. In our last video we were combusting the Oregon offcuts in the Cobber and establishing a calorific value or baseline energy value for those offcuts when combusted in the Cobber. In this video we're going to be co-firing those offcuts with this lovely walnut shell and thereby establishing a baseline energy value for the walnut shell, and we're also going to be talking a little bit more about the method that we're using. At the start and at the end of each run, we take a temperature reading from our thermal storage tank. This allows us to calculate how much thermal energy has been produced over the 3-hour run. Because of the thermal inertia of the machine, there's no easily definable start and end to each run. So what we do is we bring the machine up to producing about 3 kilowatts of electricity, which is a comfortable rate to charge our battery here. And then we run the machine for 3 hours, and at which point we cease to stoke the machine and let it run down. And by taking measurements of electrical energy, thermal energy, and weighing in all biomass fuel used for each run, we can thereby make calculations about the energy value of each biomass and get an idea about the relative fuel efficiency for each fuel when burned in the Cobber.
So we're coming to the end of our walnut shell trial today. It's been really good. The walnut shell burns really well in the machine. It's light and it's hot and it's dry. In fact, it's a little bit too hot and dry, and so if you add too much at once, it can get a little bit smoky just because of the surface area of the fuel. So what I found was best is to just fuel it in small amounts and more regularly. So in the future, as we make modifications to the firebox on the machine and also get the Cobber communicating to automatic feed systems and hoppers, we're going to see these flowable fuels being even easier to burn in the Cobber. So thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for the next update of our winter biomass fuel trials.